phase out of fossil fuels.
Tend County ma Kisumu kotene kod ngire Peter Nyang'nyong'o yango ndamo mag dongruoge ma osego e sekta mopogore tok higa achiel ma osekawo e kom kaka gavana ma county no nyaka ne yiere kendo e tielo mar ariyo. Nyong'o wacho ni chenro mag thieth osemedore ahinya kaluwore kod tije nyamreche ma sani tiyo gi lony manyasani e chwalo tijegi. Bende mondo ni jopur e county no oseyudo tiegruok e yore mag bero pur ka gimedo ndhadhu e mwandugi.
We partnered with Zipline Limited in an innovative faster delivery of essential medical requirements, such as drugs and blood through drones. Livestock farmers have also set benefit from this innovation because perishable products like semen from our livestock would be delivered to their doorsteps in any part of the county. The Emergency Operations Center, based at Kisumu County, has enabled the county to contain the spread of communicable diseases and reach out to communities under distress. I must acknowledge that during COVID, that the necessity of establishing this quick response mechanism was found very vital, and I thank Professor Kama and his team